Welcome back to another edition of Accredian's Data Bytes series. You're watching the 7th episode of Accredian's Data Bytes, and if you still haven't subscribed to our channel, it's the best time to do it. Well, I'm your host Masam, and in today's episode, I will be sharing with you a whirlpool of AI inspired stories. But before we get started, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, click on that notification bell, and stay updated on all our future uploads. So without any further ado, let's get started. Tesla unveils $300 million AI cluster with 10,000 GPUs. Tesla has launched a massive $300 million AI cluster featuring 10,000 NVIDIA H100 computer GPUs. This supercomputer will power various AI applications, primarily enhancing Tesla's full self-driving product. Elon Musk showcased version 12 of full self-driving software during a live stream, noting that it is still in the beta mode and will soon lose that label. V12 solely relies on cameras and AI navigating complex scenarios. Musk, in his signature style, teased a frictionless slowdown with Mark Zuckerberg. OpenAI's Rollercoaster ride. Recently, reports revealed that OpenAI was burning an astounding $700,000 daily, covering the cost of running the AI systems. However, there's a new twist in this tale, as a recent article suggests that OpenAI is on course to generate over $1 billion in revenue within the next 12 months, averaging around $80 million per month. This astounding feature drives the total earnings of $28 million for the entire last year, proving that their sizable investments are yielding massive returns. On a different note, a report from SparkToro indicates that visits to ChatGPT are down by 29% since its peak in May, with the majority of usage now revolving around coding assistants. It's a trend that many may relate to, as coding assistance stands as a primary use case. However, this dominance might soon face competition from open source and entirely free alternatives like CodeLlama by Meta. This report also highlights interesting usage patterns, showing that users tend to either employ just one prompt during their sessions or opt for 5 different prompts, with a notable absence of a middle ground. These two extremes makes a nearly 70% of all users. Additionally, popular words in ChatGPT prompt include write, create, list, and find. AI triumph, beating humans in drone racing. In a remarkable feat, AI has outpaced human drone racers. Swift, an AI system developed by the University of Zurich researchers, conquered the sport once deemed impossible for machines. Drone racing, with speeds over 100 km per hour, is controlled remotely via VR-like headsets. Swift trained in simulations, then raced on a real course, smashing the world record by half a second. While it might sound like a small margin, in the world of drone racing, every fraction of a second counts. Beyond the thrill, the victory holds promise for real-world applications like environmental monitoring, disaster response, and rescue missions, where AI's unstoppable march continues. A16Z empowers the open source AI community. In a recent development, A16Z, the renowned Silicon Valley venture capital firm, takes center stage once again. This week, they unveiled a grant program aimed at supporting a select group of AI developers dedicated to enhancing the open source AI community. Creating artificial intelligence comes with a hefty price tag, particularly due to demanding hardware requirements, as evident from Tesla's recent $300 million AI cluster. The open source community generously shares their software, but the cost of acquiring and running the quite essential hardware for open source model remains a significant hurdle. A16Z steps in, by offering grants to some of the community's most influential open source AI developers. Tom Dubbins, also known as a prominent figure in this space, was among the initial grant recipients. Well, that's a wrap up this week's AI news. If you like this video, smash the like button. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, click on the subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and stay updated on all our future uploads. Until next time, keep exploring the world of artificial intelligence. I will see you soon.